Hi, and welcome to this quick 5-minute ab workout. No planks, everything is on our mat, on our backs. So carefully roll down. Feet are hip width apart. Let's support our head with our hands behind our head. First move is taking one knee as we crunch up, put it down, and then same leg. We twist, bringing the elbow towards that knee and down. Let's get started. Lift one leg, come down, elbow to knee, and lower. We're just alternating sides after each lift and twist. Go at your own pace. Think about drawing that navel towards your spine, and it helps to exhale as you curl up. With that in mind, think about curling up, lifting your head, neck, and shoulders up rather than forward. And relax. You can stay in this position. We're gonna crunch up. Lift one leg to tabletop, lift the other, tap it down, then lower the head, neck, and shoulders. Again, we lift. Try to alternate which leg is starting. So left down, right down, lower down, and left, right up, left up, right down, left down. Elbows stay wide. Last one. And relax. Coming up into that crunch position again, we lift. Right hand comes down. We have 3 little side crunches reaching towards that ankle. Come back to center and lower. Reach up, extend the left arm, crunch to the side. Working those obliques 3 times. Back to center, lower, and lift. So you're still supporting your head with one hand here, trying to reach to the side, using all abdominal muscle groups here. It helps to think about shortening the distance from your rib to your hip as you reach to the side. And next we're gonna come up, so help yourself up. Maybe crawl up the back of your legs here. Arms in a genie position. We lean halfway back, twist to the side, come back to center, and then lift all the way up, straight spine. Lean back, twist, center, and up. Again, using all abdominal muscles here. You got it. Woo! Last one. Let's take it all the way back again. And we're gonna do some knee switches. So bring one knee in wherever you can grab, under the thigh maybe, or on top of that shin, and we switch. So hug it in and switch. Up to you if you want to lift the head, neck, and shoulders. I actually find it easier to keep the lower back on the floor in this position, but your head is not supported, so you choose what's best for you. Suck that belly button in and breathe. I know you're almost there. I said it was short, 5 minutes. I didn't say it was easy, right? Final 3, 2, and 1. Extend the legs, extend the arms overhead, lengthen, give yourself a little stretch here. Big inhale and exhale. Well done, my friends.